Hello. I got an unboxing for you of another 3D pen. This one is from a company called AdroitOne, I guess it is. I don't know. ADROITONE. And I had bought this as a spare pen. I do a lot of 3D printing with my printer, which you might be able to hear in the background. But also, I like using these pens as well. I picked this up as a backup. I've had several of them die. Like, this is my most recent one, and it does still work. But I was want to have a backup. I actually picked this up for $27.99 on Amazon, but it was only that cheap because I found a coupon on Slick Deals. So. And in these pens, from what I found, they're all very, very similar. In this one here, we have, of course, our user manual 3D pen. They give us orange, gray, and like a pink. I believe this is PLA filament. Have a little unclogger type tool there. And now this is a USB powered pen, which I love these kind because you can use a power bank with them, so it makes them, kind of portable and stuff like that. You can use them anywhere, really. You're not tied down to a outlet, as it were. Here's the pen here. There is no branding at all on it, as you can see here. We just have a basic 3D pen RP800A, which is basically the exact same one as this. It's the exact same pen. 3D pen RP800A, but this one is 3 Design branded. So, I know I like the pen, obviously. It looks like the shaded color is a little bit different, but other than that, it's the same, We do have our temperature buttons on the top, OLED screen, and this is forward and back. Here we have our speed slider, which is nice. Of course, here's our hot end tip. On the back we have filament on the bottom and the power on the top. It goes in through it. You can take this bottom off. It just shows you the tube and stuff like that. But you grab some power here. Plug it in. Hey, it works. Awesome. Now this pen does ABS or PLA, which is awesome, I think. And I believe it's which one is it? Yeah, okay. Back and plus switches the temps. PLA. Hit it again, and it switches to ABS. And we have to wait till it gets to the temperature. Right? There we go. As it's going up temp. This one goes up pretty fast, actually. Let me see something here. I have some filament floating around. Get this up to temperature. It says ABS 210, but you can go higher with the pen, which is nice. But that's just their general temperature for it, as it were. You can't start feeding until it gets very close to temp, which I have my some filament here. I can find the end. There it is. The filament goes in here like so. Once it gets closer to temp, oh, well, it's PLA actually, so. There it goes. It's feeding filament in. If you can hear that, it's fairly quiet, kind of slow. Oh, here. Oh, that's slow. That's faster. That's right on this one. It's weird because forward is slow, back is fast. It doesn't make much sense to me. Personally, if I was using a pen and I wanted to go faster, I would slide it forward, right? The arrow is pointing forward anyway. Oh, there was some filament in here, of course, to keep it, during shipping and all that. But here's my blue coming out now, as you can see. Fairly basic stuff. You can pause it you can do it temporarily, just hold it in, and you can do it, and let go and it'll stop. Or you can double click, like if you're doing really long, big things, and it'll go constantly. Now you can do the same thing for the back button as well, which works good for removing the filament from the pen. There it goes. "3D pen," let's see. Yeah, whatever. You get the idea, right? It's a basic 3D pen. these pens are all very similar, but I do like the style of them. That's why, you know, I have a couple of these actually, but I've had a few die. That's why I had to buy a backup. I'm not sure when this is going to be available again on Amazon, but you can just look for the model number RP800A, and there's a lot of them. There's a whole lot of them, and it's the same pen basically. Prices will vary on all of them. All right, thanks.